and throw this thing out. This thing too, and also this thing. Alright YouTube, so this is a Wi-Fi router and it's from DLink. You can see right there. So today we're gonna open this thing and gonna check it out inside of this thing. So here you can see there's a DLink DIR 615. That's the model number, and I have already removed those two screws from there. So just need to put some. So just need to slide this screwdriver and push it a bit. Alright, so this is the circuit board right there. Only single board is there. All the Wi-Fi comes with single board only. Everything is in there. And these two are the connection for the antenna. One going there and another one going to this antenna. This is a dual antenna, but a single band, 300 Mbps of a speed connection. So that's it. This is a kit. Two main chips are there, and these three black boxes are there. I don't know what that for. This is a push switch to reset the router. Two tiny cute capacitors are there, as I can see, and on the other side nothing is here, only except these pins. That's the back side. So the point is, this thing has gone bad, and when a router goes bad, you cannot fix this, you cannot repair it, just like that. And the problem was in this thing, the Wi-Fi light was not turning on. Even it gets on for the first a second, and then it goes off and it doesn't connect anything. The problem is it was working, and then suddenly it goes off, it goes bad. And when I opened this thing up, found out this chip was getting so much heat up, very heat up. So as these chips are not very easy to find in the market, so no one can replace this thing. And so what to do with this thing? Just take it up in the air and throw this thing out. This thing too, and also this thing. Just throw them out. That's it.